Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Few cars capture the spirit of American luxury quite like the 1960 Cadillac DeVille. A symbol of prosperity, excess, craftsmanship, and unmistakable style, this car has earned its place as one of the most iconic classics in automotive history. Today, we're taking a closer look at what made the 1960 DeVille such a standout, from its unforgettable exterior design to its plush interior and refined performance. Exterior. The exterior of the 1960 Cadillac DeVille is nothing short of breathtaking. Built on a massive 129.5-inch wheelbase and stretching over 225 inches long, it commands attention everywhere it goes. While it toned down the towering fins of the 1959 Cadillac, the 1960 model still features elegant, sweeping fins topped with bullet-shaped taillights that instantly identify it as a Cadillac. The front end showcases a wide chrome grille with quad headlights, and the wraparound bumper adds width and presence that few cars could match. Long, crisp body lines run from the front to the back, emphasizing sophistication and sheer size, often accompanied by whitewall tires, chrome rocker moldings, and Cadillac crests that proudly display the brand's heritage. This wasn't just a car, it was a statement. Interior. Inside, the DeVille offered a world of comfort and elegance. The enormous bench seats came in fine leather, cloth, or a combination of both, and they felt more like living room furniture than automotive seating. The dashboard features a horizontal speedometer, brushed aluminum accents, and signature Cadillac chrome trim. Controls were large and easy to read, positioned with the driver in mind. Cadillac also offered impressive technology for the time, including power windows, power seats, air conditioning, an automatic headlight dimming system called the Autronic Eye, a signal-seeking AM radio, and of course, power steering and power brakes were standard. For 1960, this interior wasn't just luxurious, it was futuristic. Performance. Under the hood, the DeVille was powered by a 390 cubic inch V8 engine producing around 325 horsepower and more than 430 pound-feet of torque. Despite its 2-ton weight, the car moved with smooth authority. The engine was paired with Cadillac's 4-speed Hydra-Matic automatic transmission, delivering a refined, quiet, and comfortable driving experience. The suspension soaked up bumps with ease, the steering felt feather-light, and the overall ride quality was one of the best of its era. Fuel economy wasn't its strong point, but nobody buying a Cadillac in 1960 was concerned about that. This car was built for comfort and presence, not economy. The 1960 Cadillac DeVille remains a timeless classic. From its elegant exterior and luxurious interior to its strong V8 performance, it represents everything Cadillac meant when it called itself the standard of the world. Even today, over 6 decades later, it continues to turn heads and inspire admiration everywhere it goes. For fans of classic American design, the DeVille isn't just a car, it's an experience, a rolling piece of art, and a reminder of an era when luxury and style ruled the road.